In 1919, this campus was established out here on the plateau and served the community for decades. In the early 1960s, the first restoration of Auburn took place. And now, here in 2019, once again we are asked to restore this campus for this generation and for the next generation, for our children's children.
As I stand here and consider the many young people that walked on this path years ago, I think of my own father who graduated here from Auburn Adventist Academy in the early 40s, and the pioneers who had the vision to establish Auburn Adventist Academy here on these grounds for thousands of young people. Today I stand humbled to be a part of those generations, and I'm inviting you to be a part of Restore Auburn.
Restore Auburn is an opportunity to bring this campus back to the glory that it once held. When I was a student here and we had hundreds of kids running the hall, some things didn't matter that matter now. High efficiency heating and cooling, new windows for the ad building that allow the heat to stay in the classrooms. Safety for the students, where the doors are able to be locked and unlocked with a key card, bringing our campus, bringing our administration building up to the 21st century.
It is important that we keep our schools updated with the best equipment and the best safety procedures and security that we can have to protect them.
A huge part of our mission is maintaining and being stewards with the buildings, the property, the land, and the resources that God has provided to us.
Restore Auburn is about working together, making sure that it's an environment that is positive for our young people.
Imagine the campus in 3 to 5 years, 10 years, totally restored. So when our generation has retired, we can see the footprint of how God led us today to prepare for tomorrow.
As I think about our future, Restore Auburn means a safe, warm, academic environment for our students.
100 years old, Restore Auburn, please be a part of it.
We have the chance to make the difference for a generation. And I'm inviting you to be part of that experience.
100 years into our mission.
We need you. Restore Auburn will not take place without you being part of it.
And that's why we want to appeal to friends of Auburn Academy to be a part of Restore Auburn, so that the future is bright and beautiful for generations to come.